Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the day 2 your Tableau course for data analyst. Today you are going to learn about the what are the calculated fields and how you can add the bins to your reports. These are very powerful tools. Now let's start. Look at this. This is your video game sales data. If you miss my first video day 1, you can watch that. I'm using the same data set. Okay. So here it is showing the video game global sales over the each year. Your stakeholder might be interested to look it into the ranges of the year, like from 1980 to 2000, 2000 to 2005, something like that. For that, this is called the bins in Tableau, and you can convert this into bins very easily. It's a pretty easy. Look at this on the left side. So here, this is the year. We will convert this into the bins. And the most important thing is when you are converting the any measure name into the bins, it should always be the numeric. You cannot convert your categorical data into bins. So here this is coming up with the hash sign. This means this is the numbers. So we will click on that, go to here, create and bins. It will pop out this one. So I will keep the name bin only to show you. Okay. And I will change the size up into 3. Here it is showing you the minimum and maximum value, the years given in your data set. And then we will say okay. Okay. So this has created now created the your bin variable measure name. You can check. This was earlier, this was assigned for the integer and this is your discrete measure name now. And we can drag and drop it here. Okay. So now it is showing right now like this. We will remove this, the original here, because we don't need it. Now look at this. It is showing you all the data like this in the range from 1980 to 1982, 1983 to 1985, 1986 to 1988. So this way it will create the bins and you can see on hover on that the total global sales. Okay, between this range. See, okay, whenever you hover on the any specific stack, the different colors, right, it will show you the different values along with the total sales. Okay, so this is the way how you can use and convert your data into bins. Even if you have the age column in your data set, you can convert, you want to convert it into the bins in the range like 10 to 20-year-old, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then you can use this one. This is very useful. Now we will move ahead with the custom field. This is very like the important, and it is you are going to use it to create your custom KPI. Okay, that is called calculated field. This you can do very quickly too. Right now on the y-axis it is showing you the total count of the global sales, but might be you are interested to look at it into the form of percentage. The quick, there are two ways to calculate, create the calculated fields. This is the quick table calculation. Click on this down arrow and then you can choose any field according to your requirement. This is a quick one, but there is another way. Just come here, click on that, create calculated field. So it will pop up this your window. On the right side, this is a inbuilt methods. You can also use it, but we don't need it right now. Here we will find out the North America sales. So we have, if you type the initials, it will start showing you the all your measure names. So I will choose this one and we can name it North America sales, global sales. Okay, so just say apply and okay. Okay, so now it created this field, okay, with the integer values. Now we will drag and drop it here. Look at this now. So easy, right? It's a pretty easy. Now this is your total sales which we have built earlier using the bins, and it is showing you here North America sales in 1980 how many sales were done. If you hover on that, it is showing you North America sales were 0.8 and 12 millions of your global sales in 1980 to 1982. And then for this one, right? If you hover on that, it is showing you this one for the years. Okay, so this is the very like the useful, the calculated field and the bins. You can use it right? And for example, if you want to calculate the profit, you want to show the, as we are showing right now, the different countries total sales, so on. I will show you the one more custom KPI field using the conditional statement, that is also very popular. So we can make a copy of this one. We will name it custom KPI global sales. Okay, and we can from here remove this one. Okay, now we will create a conditional based like the your calculated field. So we will say here performance global sales. Okay, so we will divide it into the three sections. We will say here if global sales is greater than equal to 10. Okay, then you can see when I'm typing the initials, it will automatically start showing you how you can write the format. On the right side, you can also check, it is telling you each and everything. Okay, and then we will say here if sales are greater than 10 millions or equal to 10 millions, then this is the blockbuster sales. Okay, and then else if, so we will choose this one. If global sales is greater than 1, then it says moderate sales. Okay, else it should say low sales. Okay, and then you need to close it and okay, and then we will apply. Okay, so it created your this now measure name. Okay, so we will drag and drop it here like this. Look at this now. It is showing you on the ranges of the year two and the in which year moderate sales, low sales and blockbuster sales, right? So it is showing you each and everything very clearly. Blockbuster sales like the sales above the 10 millions. If you want, you can give the heading to, okay? Instead of blockbuster sales, you can name it with the say sales greater than 10 millions and then low sales less than your like the if it is not lie between the 1 to 10 millions, less than that, right? 2 million, 1 or sorry 0.5, right? Something like that, less than that. So this way you can also create the conditional calculated field too. Okay, so this was all about like the your how you can create the calculated field, how you can add the bins to your dashboards or your reports, and how you can create the KPI reports too. Okay, now in the upcoming like the part 3, day 3, you will learn about the different type of the visualizations. So stay with us, keep learning, keep patience. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the like button and bell icon button. See you in the next video. Thank you.